Hello guys, thank you for watching Flores by Flora, and if you're new here, please subscribe and please click that like and notification bell as well so you'll be updated for all new videos. Thank you! Okay guys, so in today's video, I'm going to do another unboxing. So, the unboxing for today is this. This is a bit smaller today. I wonder what is this.
Amazon, as usual.
From Amazon. Okay, let's see. Oh! So this is Blu-ray in a white case. This is white.
Or see-through.
See-through. Yeah. So it's clear. So normally it's blue, but it's sometimes they do it in this color as well.
Yeah, in different colors.
Yeah. So this is Maroc.
7.
Oh, I didn't see that 7 because it's white. So it's camouflage. So this is Maroc 7. 7! Stars in here are Jean Barry, Elsa Martinelli, Sid Charisse, Leslie Phillips, and Denholm Elliott.
It's a British film from the mid-60s.
Directed by Jerry O'Hara. Who is Jerry O'Hara?
I don't really know him.
It sounds like Filipino name.
I know
Surname.
Gene Barry. He used to be in the TV series called Burkslow. He also played the assassin in the very first Columbo film.
Oh, really?
Columbo TV movie made in
Oh, I
1968.
like Colombo. Yeah. Alright. So this is...
He was in the original version of the War of the Worlds, H.G. Wells.
Oh, I don't
Science
know
fiction
that.
story.
Yeah.
And he played the grandfather in the remake,
Remake of...
The War of the Worlds, with Tom Cruise.
Okay.
But he was only in a long shot at the very end of the film. So
Also,
you
that's
didn't really
very,
see him.
not very good, what do you call exposure.
No.
Oh dear.
But he was the main lead in the original.
Alright, so this is Simon Grant, blackmail glamorous fashion editor. Morocco. So this is Morocco.
Yeah.
There is a special features in there. So if you can see it, guys.
It's mainly just the trailer, really.
Yeah.
It's
The
released
special
by
features.
Network. They don't normally have many
Trailer,
special
music
features.
promo, and image galleries. So image galleries is that the
Just still photographs from the
photograph.
film.
So the photograph of them, maybe all these photograph there, maybe.
Yeah.
Oh, all right. And this is PG. Oh, so that's good. Everyone can watch this.
Oh, yeah.
PG. So this is ITV Studios.
Released by ITV Studios.
Released by
Network.
ITV. Oh.
Company called Network.
So this is December 1966.
Yeah, that's when it was made.
Oh,
So that's when it
right.
was released, December 1966.
So that's
Made in
so this is an old
1966.
film. This is old.
Yes.
Okay, certificate A. So
A,
this
which changed to PG years later.
oh, so this is British film.
Yeah.
Oh, I see.
British film with an imported main star.
Oh,
Yes, he's American, Gene Barry.
so half then. Half British, half
A
American.
British film.
Yeah, it's British film.
They
But
used to import the main star in those days, so the film sells in America as well. So they make a lot more
so
money.
that makes it like that. That makes
If it's a star that they know in America, they're more likely to show the
to
film
sell
there.
more.
Yeah, and sell more tickets.
Oh, that's right. So that's how they do.
Yes.
That's what business
That's what
works.
they used to do in the 60s, 50s and 60s.
But they don't do that anymore. Is it?
Um, Sometimes, but not so much
Yeah,
these days.
because nowadays there's lots of actors and actresses in UK, and they hardly need outsiders actors and actresses.
Yeah. Well, in those days there were loads as well, but instead having an American actor in the lead,
It would make a
we
difference.
used to sell the film more, especially to the USA.
Yeah, so in that case, lots of people will want to watch it.
And Leslie Phillips is usually, or used to be, usually in comedies, yeah, plays a straight
So
role
this is
in this
Leslie
one.
Phillips, you know, the
I think
one.
he's one of the producers of the film.
Oh, is she the one?
He,
Oh, Leslie Phillips. Oh, I thought is a woman.
nah,
Oh, I'm thinking of another Leslie.
maybe.
You know the do traveling as well things. A group. I'm not sure. Oh, so Leslie Phillips is a man.
Yeah,
Because the name is like it's a woman's name,
he
Leslie.
usually is well known for playing playboys in sort of British comedies in the 60s.
Oh, so he must be handsome then, macho.
But this one, in this one, he plays a straight part. This is not a comedy.
Oh, so is that Leslie Phillips?
No, that's Gene Barry.
Oh, Jen Barry. So where is it? That Jen Barry.
Yeah,
Oh,
Leslie Phillips is
which one?
has got a supporting part in it, so I don't see him there. They don't have his picture there.
How come?
Well, he's not in the lead. It's
Oh,
a supporting part.
so that's a cheat.
Not really.
They should they should put him here as well.
He's not the main star.
Well, there's a lot of people in there. It must be his one. He should be one in them. So well, that's how it goes. Oh dear. Okay. So should I open it?
Now we'll open it when we're watching it, and then you can review it.
All right. Okay. Okay, guys. So I'm not opening. We'll open after we watch it, so we can
Before we watch
do
it.
a review before watching it. So, so sorry. Okay, guys. So this is the unboxing for today. This
Maroc
Maroc
7.
7. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. And see you on the review of this. Thank you. Love, love, love.